Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
It was a morning of mourning and reflection at the Brayton Primary School in St. Catherine, days after 8-year-old Daniel Rowe was abducted and killed.
Scores of people gathered at the school for a special devotion organized by the police.
Now, Kalisha Williams was there and filed this report.
Weeping and wailing, a devotional exercise which left many in distress. Dozens descended on the Brayton Primary School in St. Catherine, where 8-year-old Danielle Rowe was abducted. She was found with her throat slashed. Little Danielle died 2 days later in hospital, so the police decided to host the devotion here on Monday.
This is overwhelming support. I really never thought that it would mushroom into this.
In fact, the support was so strong that it attracted people who were strangers to the family and the school. Many people told us they were simply shaken by the story.
That's it. From Thursday, I can't eat. I sleep and they come like me, I see her. My eyes shut, but I not sleep and come like me, I see her. I feel it. I really do break down, I feel it.
As for Danielle's family, they could barely cope during the devotion. In fact, a few minutes after the service started, her mom fainted and had to be rushed to the doctor for treatment. However, she was whisked away so quickly by the police on the ground that not even our news team could capture it. Then from the podium to the classroom, where students and staff had their creativity on display as they honored Danielle's memory. Even last Thursday's lesson was left on the whiteboard, a reminder of Danielle's last day here.
I remember Thursday, I stood right there at the door, our last encounter. She hugged me before she left. She said, "See you tomorrow, miss, love you." And I said, "Love you too, darling." And she went to my door. I didn't know that was the last that I would have seen or heard of her.
It's very heart-rending. I don't know how we are going to be able to live with this, but I know with the help of God, He sees and He knows.
As to what exactly happened after school ended on Thursday, TVJ News has learned that someone came to pick up Danielle, and when she was asked by a teacher if she knew the individual, Danielle responded that the individual was her driver. But when TVJ News checked with Danielle's mother, we were told that she did not have a driver. And the principal for the school is also insisting that all the protocols were followed.
Parents are logged in when they come in the morning, they sign them in and they sign them out. And so those who wait, they wait in an area where the security guard is, and sometimes teachers are there too to monitor them until they go. But it's just an unfortunate situation that took place on Thursday.
Can you say if those protocols were followed on Thursday?
Best to my knowledge. Best to my knowledge.
In the meantime, Education Minister Favour Williams, who was also at the school, has promised to install closed-circuit television cameras at primary schools island-wide, starting at Brayton Primary.
In particular, at the entrance of school. So at the very least, when there is a situation, we can at least get some footage.
Reporting from the Brayton Primary School in Portmore, St. Catherine, I'm Kalisha Williams for TVJ News. My colleague Kirk Wright is in St. Andrew with another angle.